A lot of people have been looking for ways that they can make money easily online. And thanks to social media and some other platforms that have made it easy for people to make money online. To be honest, people are making money online just with their phones, not with knowing much, just to do menial things like likes in Facebook, comment on YouTube, share on Instagram, follow on Instagram, things like that. People are making money from it. And in today's video, I want to show you a website that you can be making money. If you are serious about it, if you follow it up, all you need is a data and a smartphone. And I'm not talking about iPhone or any exotic phone. I'm talking about if you can afford an Android phone and maybe a 500 naira data or 1,000 naira data every day, you can be able to be making at least 5,000 naira per day, and legitimately it will be paid into your account. And I'm not talking about another site apart from viraltrend.com. So viraltrend.com is a website that allows you, they give you tasks every day, like everyday task that you will do to make money. So they have tasks of maybe 5 naira per task. Maybe they say like this comment on Facebook, they'll pay you 5 naira for it. Comment on this YouTube post and they'll pay you 10 naira for it. And there are thousands of tasks that you can be doing like every day. I get the point. So they have a premium version, which is what I'm doing. I think I paid about 1,500 naira to join the premium package. So the premium package will give you more tasks and can give you ability to do so many things on the platform. So the platform is a Nigerian man that owns it, but the guy is based in, I think, in the UK or Europe, somewhere there. But what they do is once you do the task they give you, you will see your account credited on the platform. So they have a threshold of an amount you get to before they will pay you. So if, let's say, if you get to 5,000, yes, it's 5,000 naira. So when you get to 5,000 naira, they pay you instantly to your bank account. So when you're registering, you're going to register with your bank account, your basic information, your name, everything, to make sure everything tallies with the information on your bank account. So the name you're using to run the thing is the name that will be in your bank account, so that when they want to pay you, it will not be an issue. So that's the number one thing you have to understand. So number two is that the task, if you do anything fraudulent, your account will be blocked. They don't allow anything fraudulent. So if they give you a task to do and you don't do it, and you just go and submit the task and they find out, your account will be blocked. So you must make sure that you fulfill the task that they have given you. Are you getting the point? So the task must be done, and you prove that to them that you have done the task, then they will now pay you. And make sure that the pages that you use to do the task is the page that you're using on social media. Let's say I'm using Sagidi now for YouTube, and they send me a YouTube, and they have a YouTube task to fulfill, and my name on the page is Sagidi. If at all I use another YouTube account and go and fulfill that task, I will not be paid for it. I hope you understand what I mean. So you have to use the same account that is in the name that you're using, so that when they check it on the other side, they will see that, okay, it's Sagidi, actually the YouTube page that did it. So let's say you have 2 YouTube accounts or you have 2 Facebook accounts. That is one that you're going to use, which is the one that your name is registered on. If you use another one that is not in that name, it will not be acknowledged. So you register these platforms, you link all of them to the page, to ViralTrend. All of them will be on ViralTrend, so that you are not going to use another account. It's not like if you use another account to do the task, it will not go. The task will be done, but you will not get paid for it. That's what I'm trying to let you know. So you will just use the account that you're linked with and do your task. And it's very easy. You see a task of 10 naira, some of them 6 naira. And it's very easy. In a minute, in a second, in some seconds, you have done some task already. You can do YouTube like, bam, you just click, bam, you like the comment, and you wait for the timing, because there's a timing on the whole task. So they give you the timing, so that timing will elapse, then they will now credit you your account. I get the point. So viral trend is something that I will advise anybody that is looking for how to make money easily, or that is looking for another source of income, the part-time kind of. Just use your phone as you are watching YouTube video, just like you're watching all these things you normally watch on Facebook, or you're liking all these videos you normally like on YouTube, and you're getting paid for it. That is how viral trend works. So you just like something and you get paid for it. You share something, you get paid for it. You comment on something, you get paid for it. And because the reason why it's like that is because people are paying for those kinds of things. I get what I'm saying. Some people are paying for likes, some people are paying for views, some people are paying for shares, some people are paying for comments, and all those things are going on social media. So viral trend will help you to make money with those things. And I don't see anything bad in it because you are already doing it already. You're already liking people's comments for free. You're already sharing people's comments for free. You're already sharing people's videos for free. You're commenting on social media. You're liking things. You're viewing things for free. So this platform gives you the opportunity to do all those things you normally do to get paid for it. So it's a very good platform that I will advise you if you're looking for another means of income to join. Understand? And I will drop a link in this video where you can join from. It is very easy. Just click on the link and you register from there, and you will see that you will start making money instantly. If you want to do the free package, you're free. If you want to do the paid version, it's more profitable because you have more tasks every day. So that paid version is what I joined. You become a promoter. That's what they call them. You become a promoter. A promoter means that more tasks. You just have tasks that you can't even do. There are going to be more tasks on you that you're going to be doing. Like you will just be sitting there, be doing tasks and be getting paid, doing tasks and be getting paid. So this platform is something very nice. You can check it out. I'll put the link on this video so that if you're interested in joining, you can join and start using it. It's very, very easy, and something that you will thank me later for it if you take it serious. I'm telling you, in a day you can make 5,000 or more, because by the time you do 100 tasks, you know how much you have made. I guess what I'm saying. By the time you just do 100 tasks a day at the rate of maybe 10 naira, you know how much you have made. Just 100. So if you can say, okay, today I want to do like 200 tasks or 300 tasks, just take your time. 1 minute, 30 seconds, 50 seconds. 1 minute, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and your money will be counting. You get my point? You're making your money, and your account will be coming up. Before you know it, you don't get credit alert from the bank. That is what's up, and that is what it is. So if you have a comment or if you know about this platform, tell us what you think. Tell me your experience about the platform. Share this video for others to see it. You don't know who might need this opportunity. You don't know who this video might help. So I appreciate you for watching this video. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.